my channel. I hope you guys are doing good. I'm doing really good, guys. Now, winter lip care. I love winter so much, but I hate winter only for this reason. Chapped, cracked and flaky lips. No one likes, right? So I have one amazing DIY using only 2 products. Seriously, that is right now available in your kitchen, guys. So before we could get into the DIY, let's talk about one thing. You know, during winter when we have chapped, cracked, flaky lips, we do this, right? Looks bad. Okay, yeah. We used to lick our lips, right? Please don't do that. That is one of the main reasons for worsening your chapped, cracked lips, guys. It's very tempting. I know that even I have been doing that, but I stopped doing consciously. Let's stop doing that. So another main thing is using a very good lip balm, moisturizer. If you are a girl, I have one recommendation. This is Nivea Watermelon Shine, my favorite go-to lip balm. This moisturizes the lip really well during winter. And if you are a guy, I have a recommendation too. This is Nivea Men Active Care with SPF 15. This means that not only winter, even during summer under bright sunlight, this protects your lips, guys. If you are a guy, please carry this. So yes, now let's get into the main part of the video. So first, for the winter lip care DIY, we're going to do lip scrub. So for that, I'm taking I'm taking 1 spoon of sugar. You can even use brown sugar if you have. So yes. And I'm taking honey, 1 spoon. You can use any honey. So yeah. Okay. So let's mix this. Sugar helps in removing the dead cells and it removes the flakiness, and honey helps in moisturizing and helps in lightening your lips too. So yeah. Gently scrub and exfoliate. Let's do this. Oh. Be very gentle. So leave this for 5 minutes and wash it off. And do this every single night during this climate especially, or at least do this once in alternative days. You will seriously like the result. My lips are feeling very soft. That cracked flakiness is completely gone. I'm loving it. So after removing the lip scrub, you are supposed to use almond oil. Seriously, only almond oil. Why? Because almond oil helps in nourishing your lips and it helps in fading the dark lips. In a long run, you will see that your lips are lightening day by day. I'm seeing a lot of difference. I will sure you will also see. So you can use any almond oil, your wish. Yeah. Our procedure is over. Do this every single day if you have time. If you don't have time, try to do this every alternative days. Your cracked, chapped, flaky lips will thank you so much. So that's it, guys. Very simple, right? I hope you follow this DIY and take care of your lips during winter. One thing I want to tell you. During winter, we tend to drink less water because we are not thirsty. But try to drink more water, guys. Very important. So stay hydrated too. I'll catch you very soon in another interesting video. Until then, take care. Bye-bye.